it'll get the shape a bit better. Need a light, I think, as well. See what I'm doing. See if I can start this thing up, the thread. Right, I don't want to cross thread it for sure, because it just stopped there when I was putting it in, so try a wee bit, see if it goes. So that's come out again. It's try to get the pipe going in the right way. It bends out the shape of the thread and it stops it catching. That's it. Right. So all I want is to get that in there. Just make sure it's. I'm not going to tighten it up just yet. I'm going to bend it, shapes and stuff of it. So once I've got all this, I'll start clipping that in along here, and then I can just make the shape of it better all over. Challenging working upside down sometimes. Right, so that's that in. And then you clip it in behind the exhaust shield there as well. Popped it out of here, but I don't know if I'll get my finger back into put it on again. I can. That clip in there. I don't know which way it goes though. Oh, that's it. There's the other one. That one's on. The light again. It's broke. It's broke. For that other one, once it's tightened up top, hopefully it should stay. I have to take these out to get in there. So. Yuck. Right. Right, I think that's pretty much me. So just connect up that side, run it through up here, there. That clip's broken there, you can see. So once I pull it up top, hopefully that should hold it in pretty much, and then I just need to thread it in at the top, and that should be me, and then I need to bleed. So that's all the bushes in and stuff, new bushes, the front bushes are all in as well. So. And a filter, put a fuel filter into not a new fuel pipe, but a second hand one. And when it runs along here, it was, I cut it when I was welding a wee bit, or grinding a wee bit, cut it, so. And the last thing I need to do is this. I've not even got round to this yet. I drilled one of these holes out, and I've got 2 new drills. I'm going to pilot drills, I'm going to drill these holes here, grind that bit off, and then just drill through it, and probably put nuts and bolts through it for the exhaust, and that should be it, done. So, hope you've learned something, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.